He was still pretty good when I shot at him.
And you don't think...
First shot, I totally didn't do anything. By the time I was putting the second shot on him, he was getting up over this hill a bit from me, and I didn't see what happened. So I didn't see if he flew away or if he fell. But if he's down, he would be somewhere here to the pasture.
Feathers on the fence right here.
For feathers right there.
Bunch of feathers.
Whole lot of feathers.
They're pheasant feathers. Teddy, yeah, there's feathers right here.
There's quite a bit of feathers, man.
Yeah, I mean, this bird hit right in here. These are warm still. Now, okay, so are there any on the other side of the fence? There's a couple here on the other side of this tree. Yeah, right over there. Is there any place to get him over?
Wow.
Good dog.
Wait.
Good boy, teddy bear. What
Good
investigative work that was right there. Wow.
Nice.
Wow. That's so good, boy. That's a good boy. Oh, yes, sirree. That's a good guy. Wow. I'm heading straight for the truck.
That was one of the most exciting pheasant retrieves I think I've ever seen.
That was a good one, though.
That shows you why every hunter needs a dog and every dog needs a hunter. Because we both wouldn't have found that bird without each other.